Okay. Hello everyone. So welcome to our sprint review meeting 3. And today, Mr. Peter here is joining us, and
Hi.
he's the product owner for our community, which is the Subang Perdana Good Year Court 10 residents. Okay. So without any further ado, I'll just start. So these are the team members and also the stakeholders. The team leader is Tai Wen Jun. If you can see him at the camera, maybe you can just wave. Okay. And I'm the Scrum Master, and we have two developers who are Brandon and also Brynard, and the tester is Liew, and our product owner is Mr. Peter. Okay. Next, this is about why we are building the system. So basically, now what is going on in the community is there is a manual reservation of facilities. So we are here to introduce an online reservation system for the facility instead. So the benefit is we get to digitalize everything and also make the entire process of making reservations more efficient. Okay, and just a quick view of our use cases for this system is as a visitor, you must register as a resident first. So you have to be a resident of Goodyear Court 10 in order to use this system. And then as a resident, you can make reservations. You can leave feedbacks about the facilities, and you can also maybe reschedule or cancel your reservation. And of course, you can view all of your reservations as well as manage your profile details. And for the admin, you can basically manage everything, all of the managed stuff. So I'll just go through. Here is skip the backlog. Okay, so these are just the pictures of the interfaces that we've done, but we will just go straight into the demo because of the time constraint. So here we have the login page of our system, and everything such as the registration is here, but we will not demo the registration part because of the time constraint. And we have already opened an account for Mr. Peter here ahead of time. So his account username is Peter, and we just assume the password is 123 for now, and log in. Takes a little bit of time to load, but this is the main dashboard of what you will see as a resident. So here you can see all of the available times for each court just for the current day. So we assume that every booking must be done on the same day only, and you cannot make reservations in advance. Okay, and here you can also go to your profile and you can manage your profile information such as your name or your email, and you can change everything. If I change this to Peter and save, then you can see that the name has changed to Peter. So this is just, and you can also change your password here. And for the admin side, it's similar. So this is the main dashboard for the admin side. As an admin, the first thing you will see when you log in is all of the bookings today or the reservations today, and you can either reschedule them or you can cancel their reservations for the residents if you deem so. And you can also, as usual, edit your profile. But let's just go into the more technical stuff here. As a user, if you want to make a new reservation, just go back to the dashboard. Okay, for example, now if I want to make a new booking, let's say I want to play on court 2 by at around 11 o'clock in the morning. So I just click on book now. Here everything is filled in for you. You just have to select your time. And if you want to play at 11, just click agree and you make the reservation. Just refresh this. Maybe the names has been changed. Hold on. me just redo the reservation here. Got 2, 10 o'clock. Okay, and as you can see here, Court 2, 10 o'clock has been made. And at the admin side, if I refresh, remember the booking ID here is 21585. At the admin side, if I go back here, then I can see that 21585, Court 2 at 10 o'clock has been made. So I can also reschedule it for him as the admin, or as the user, I can also cancel my reservation, or if I want to reschedule, also can. So let's say if I want to reschedule from Court 2 to Court 3 at maybe 8 o'clock in the morning, so I just select here, and I just select this time and reschedule it. So now this booking has been changed to Court 3 and a different time. Right, so that's basically what we've done so far. And for the admin side, of course, the updates can be seen as well. 21585. Yep. And it has been changed to Court 3. 8. And we can also cancel the, we can also disapprove the reservations made by the resident from the admin side. 21585 here. So if we disapprove this, then at the user side here, their booking will be gone, right? So that's basically what we have done so far. Are you okay? Is it okay if you maybe provide us some feedback about what you think?
Well, this booking is only for time booking, right? It has nothing to do with payment.
Yeah. We assume that the facility is completely for free, so it's just a system to reserve the spots.
Okay. So what happens if, let's say, there is a clash of time for
Ah,
different people?
If that's the case, then maybe they have to resolve it with either the admin. So as you can see here, the admin, they can disapprove some of the bookings. So if, of course, it shouldn't happen, but if for some reason a clash occurs, then they have to discuss it and maybe let the admin know so that the admin can disapprove one of the bookings, and then the user has to make a new booking. You just have to resolve it kind of
Okay.
in a
So in other words, that this
manual way.
is need a constant operation or monitoring of the human to get things moving, right?
Yeah, I guess you can say that. Yeah.
So if let's say the system is automated, then they don't need people to approve. Also, okay, maybe in future lah.
Yep. All right. True. So, actually, now this okay. Maybe it's might be a small bit of mistake on our part. Actually, the plan here is there is no need for any approval. If you make a reservation, the reservation is automatically approved. So you can just play unless the admin decides to disapprove it. So there is actually no need for any manual approval. It's just that the admin can disapprove your booking, but every time you make a booking, it's automatically approved. Unless there's special scenarios, then the admin can just disapprove it just for special occasions. So the approve button here is only for, let's say, if the admin already disapproved your reservation, but maybe they changed their mind or something, so they can reapprove it back. But as
Okay,
for every time you make a new booking, there will be no approval needed.
okay,
Right? I hope what we've done so far satisfies all the requirements that we agreed on last time. So yeah, I guess this concludes our meeting for today. If everything is fine, are
thank
there
you.
any specific issues that you want to bring up regarding the system that we might be able to fix on the next phases of the project?
For a start, it's good enough lah. At least there's something to record in the system who booked what and which court in what time lah.
All right. So if everything up to this point is okay, then I'll just let you know that for the upcoming phase of the project, we will be working on the feedback subsystem. So the residents can leave feedbacks regarding the facilities or whatnot, and the admin will be able to view the feedbacks and make improvements, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Good.
So maybe one of my team members can take a screenshot of this meeting just as a proof. Anyone?
I think before that, there might be some features that we forgot, such as the court availability and the court managing for the admin side.
Right.
Yeah.
Thanks for reminding me. Sorry. For the admin part, we can also manage the court. Sorry, I forgot about this. Of course, we are supposed to manage our court. So as an admin, you should be able to set the opening times of whenever you want. For example, maybe today it's open from 8 until 6. But let's say for whatever reason you want to change your opening times, you can just select any one of the times here, click update. For let's say for now I'm updating court 2 from 7 to 19. So if I update here, takes a bit of time to run the queries to update. So I updated the court 2 from 7 to 19. So if I go back to the user and view it here, then you can see that court 2 has been open from 7 to 19. And 19 is gone because we have one of the reservations already made for that time. Right? So I guess that covers everything for what we've done so far. Right?
Do you think we need to show the reset password for now?
We could. Okay, let me just do that.
A good feature
Do we have any? We still have time, right?
Yeah, I think that's a good feature to show.
All right. So I can showcase this one as well. So we've set your email as Peter CCW. Is this your email? It's correct, right? At gmail.com.
Yeah.
Right. So maybe you can just check your email now, and
Okay.
maybe check the spam or check just the normal page of the email to see whether you received an OTP.
I mean, you want me to check now?
Yeah. Just to reset the password.
Yeah, I received an email OTP code 134937.
37. Right. So if this is the wrong OTP code, then I cannot proceed to the next one. And if it's correct, then of course I proceed here to reset my password. Just now it was 123. Maybe now I just change it to ABC and just re-enter. And yep. So just let it load. Now it's changed, but I'm not sure whether you can see this. If I type 123 now, you should not be able to log in because it's the wrong password. So if I type ABC now, ABC, and be fine. Right. Okay. So I guess I've demonstrated everything that we've done so far. Is there anything that I missed, you guys?
Maybe what kind of programming languages are you using to build this?
For this application, we use Python Flask. So
Python.
yeah,
Okay.
if you want to see the code, it's here.
It's okay. Just
Right. So yeah.
the server. You need a computer like PC to host this, right?
Yeah. Because we are not done with our program yet, so the hosting comes later after we've done the entire application. Then there is a plan for us to actually host this using a free hosting platform or whatever, and then we can actually provide this service to users
The thing is
even
given
outside of
giving
Goodyear content.
outside access of one of the like IP address or server
Yep.
name.
Yep.
Like
That is the plan.
website name.
Yep. By the end of this project, if it's possible, yeah, the plan is to actually host this project.
Okay. Thank you.
Right.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
So any of you guys can please take a picture before we leave.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
All right. Done.
Okay, it's done.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Peter, for joining us.
Guys, peace. See you.
Wait. Something happened to my screenshot. Wait.
Yeah, I
One
also
more.
screenshot it, so I think it's okay.
Oh, it's fine. All right. It's okay. The session is recorded anyway. All right.
You want to
Okay.
share your the browser again?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sorry for that. Something happened with my screenshot too.
Is it okay now?
Okay, it's done.
Okay. Okay. So
Thank
thank
you.
you very much, Mr. Peter, for joining us.
Yeah, good night, guys.
See you again next time. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.